All the pickles are in the jar.
Okay, ready?
Whee!
Think
about the words none and all.
Look up, baby.
None of us in the bottle and all that should be our wish. So no pickles?
Okay, ready? Stay right there. Ready? Good job. Whoa, you're riding a skateboard. Whoa! What did it bang into? Oh, the wall. Hold on, let me move it a little bit. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? Come this way. Wow! Look at mommy. No hands. Oh my god! Whoa. Okay, ready? Go. Set. Go. I'm gonna hold your hand. Whoa! 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 Boom. Where'd it bang into? Okay, I'm gonna turn it a little bit. Hold on tight.
Let's go
To your room?
to the kitchen.
No, I can't go in the kitchen. It's too small. Ready? It's okay. Give me back that skateboard!